Andrew, a real burp.
How do you do the real burp? I can drink it, then you get air from my mouth and. Who likes the bear? Who likes the bear? Who likes the bear? Who likes to? Who likes the bear? Who likes to? Who likes to put bear on their head?
So who's gonna win the contest?
Me.
Let me see who gives the biggest burp. Real burp.
Wait. Who won? I did the biggest.
You know Matthew's winning so far because he's doing a real burp.
I want to win, Mommy.
Well, you have to do a real burp.
I don't know how to do it. Yeah, because he's doing a real burp. Wait, he's burping for your leg.
You okay, Matthew?
Yeah. Excuse me, could you open this? That was a loud one now.